Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyerdaniel here, and today it's my day off, so we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna go to the gym, get some coffee, and let's see what adventures come. So let's get to it.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test.
I just got to the gym, guys. Gonna take some pre-workout, some BPI. I don't know, it's pretty good. So yeah, let's take some of that. Cheers. Whew. Oh, let's get going.
Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Well guys, leg day is officially done. As you can see, a little exhausted. But yeah, let's go get some coffee.
Injuries, mentally and physically, studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those...
So as you guys saw, I went to PK's coffee shop. I actually have a little bit of a breakfast sandwich right here. If you saw that, I don't really know. It went in the middle of my face, but we're gonna go with it. So yeah, it was actually really nice inside, a little small coffee shop. There's a really cool backstory behind it, so I'm going to put that right here. You can pause the video and take a look at it and read it. And it was actually just really cool, kind of inspirational. And yeah, once in the summer, they have a deck, and it will definitely be a place I will go. But now I think I'm going to go to Stowe Lodge now, take a look at the area, hopefully see who's there for a manager, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put that in here or not, but yeah, maybe. We'll see. And yeah, we're going to head up there, see what it's like, and hopefully take some good footage. So I hope you enjoy the ride.
They'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
So I definitely did not know that this was up here. This is absolutely insane. It is so beautiful up here, and I should definitely come up here more. As you guys can see, there's skiing, everything kind of going on. It is absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Wow.
It's about 35 degrees up here, so I think they're making snow. That's what all that misty stuff is. But I'm definitely gonna have to hike here in the summer. Wow.
Wow.
Literally, my breath is taken away. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. Except I don't know where to park. So that's a struggle. Because there is a parking lot right there, but it's like pretty far away from where the lodge is, and I don't think they have people walking if they're paying that much a night for this place. So they must have something closer. I just don't know where it is, and I'm definitely not walking. So I don't know where to go. Well, I'm probably gonna come here later with my roommate anyways, so we're gonna figure out parking and everything then. But this is definitely an amazing spot, definitely somewhere I'm going to go again. So we will be here, and yeah, let's head back. I need to go back to the gym to drop off this sandwich for Heather, and see you back at home. So I'm not a quitter. I'm gonna go back there. I'm not turning around. I'm gonna go see where to park, because I'm Peyerdaniel. I am not a quitter. That way. There we go. And we're gonna ask for some directions. So the place I was going before, apparently that's where I'm supposed to park, and apparently I go through the back of the lobby or something like that, which is very generic in my opinion. But I don't have an appointment. I'm just kind of stopping in. I'm wearing jeans right now and Toms, so I mean, that's how well prepared I am. I am probably going to take my hat off once I get indoors, but my car is going to beep at me any second to put on my seatbelt, but I'm a badass, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, I'm just going like 10 feet. Hopefully that's not a cop. This is definitely a beautiful place. I mean, look at the background, look at the scenery. This is nice. I could definitely see myself coming here a lot. I think those are condos and houses up there, if not lodges they rent. And then obviously different sections of the hotel. This looks like the main part. And there's some art right there, half an igloo, probably a snowball of some sort. But yeah, this is cool, pretty neat. Stopped raining, so that's awesome. But I'm sure you guys can hear the raindrops. I don't know if you can or not, because I am on my iPhone right now, so maybe you're hearing this pretty well. I don't really know. But yeah, let's get back to the car. Let's head back home.